Insurance Class A Inspector. They're inspecting this Skoda for you. It's 2016. So it's an insurance write-off. Regards to bodywork, you will find various niggly things, and I would consider that in line for the insurance write-off vehicles. You can see the various scratches and a bit of light damages on a rear bumper. So this is a bit excessively dirty, but obviously here's another area where if desired will need some repairs. Alloys are sensible, tires are sensible, brakes are sensible. This headlight bottom bracket is broken. The bumper is broken, so it covers the sensor for the cruise control. This headlight replaced. It had a previous body repairs, that's more likely is being written off, as it's non-structural. So this wing has been replaced and resprayed. This door resprayed, that wing resprayed, the bonnet replaced or resprayed. Oil is just above minimum, so it needs a service. Just it's an auction car. As you are here too, interior is fairly sensible, with some age-related marks. So there's regards to the bumper, regards to that grille blocking that sensor, there is faults for that cruise control, as I said. Faults recently cleared 22 kilometers ago. There's some dry sections visible, is super dirty, so most of the stuff are covered. There are a few sort of respray marks visible on a front bonnet, you know. However, so on this side there are light scratches, and some scratches on a roof can be noticed if you look closely once it will be washed off. So yeah, we'll talk over the phone. Thanks for using this.